extension of our shared human experience. It is through these exchanges that we come to understand each other's cultures, traditions, and values, fostering each other's cultures, mutual respect, and trust. China and Pakistan have a history of deep-rooted people-to-people connections, which have grown stronger over the years. The ancient Silk Road, one symbol of connectivity, has been reinvigorated through the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, becoming conduct for the both nations and the benefit from increased trade investment and a cultural interchange. Our people-to-people exchange encompass educational partnership, cultural collaboration, and a growing number of tourists eager to explore the rich tapestry of our